Hi, the SI Meteorologist. Paul Dorian here on Friday, August 2nd. A clear morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. It looks like plenty of sunshine today and warm conditions. High temperatures this afternoon should reach the low to mid-80s. Rather comfortable humidity levels following yesterday's cool frontal system passage. Another cool front will move into the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. This should renew the threat for some showers and thunderstorms. Certainly not a total washout by any means on Saturday. Following that frontal system, very nice weather, moves back into the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday and especially for Monday into Tuesday. May take a little while for the clouds to clear early Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon, another comfortable air mass will be headed into the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, before we take a look at the U.S. surface map, let's take a look at the tropical Atlantic. This is a map from the SSEC Wisconsin website that shows Saharan desert air moving over the Atlantic from off the west coast of Africa, here indicated by the orange and reds. All this is basically dry air that came off the west coast of Africa, and this certainly has been and will continue to be an inhibiting factor to tropical storm formation over the next couple of days. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but it's just an inhibiting factor. It certainly doesn't mean it can prevent anything from flaring up over the Gulf of Mexico, which is a slight possibility for the next few days. There are a couple of impressive looking waves out here off the west coast of Africa. Here's one of them right here. This is the west coast of Africa right here. A couple of other areas just ahead of that. But again, all this orange represents air blowing off the Saharan desert, and it's an inhibiting factor for the development of this, and we'll continue to monitor this over the next several days. Well, here's the current U.S. surface map. One frontal system just off the east coast. Again, plenty of sunshine filling in behind it here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and then another frontal system starting to push to the south and east across the western part of the Great Lakes. This front will have some showers and thunderstorms moving back into the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. Again, it will not be a total washout, will not be as much rainfall as what occurred yesterday with this first frontal system. Then behind that, another strong Canadian-born high-pressure system will clear things out for Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, and it looks like nice weather will continue on Monday and Tuesday as well. This will be another comfortable air mass for this time of the year with pleasant temperatures and humidity levels and great sleeping weather Sunday night and Monday night. Out in the western states, quite hot today in the southern Rockies. High temperatures reaching 90 to 95 degrees or so. Still a lot of Pacific moisture, monsoonal type moisture affecting that region. Certainly for this weekend and next week, they will have the scattered shower and thunderstorm type of pattern, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. And along the west coast, still continuation of onshore flow, bringing cool conditions to the coastal regions in Southern California. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. A couple things to point out. Clouds right here associated with that frontal system that moved through the Mid-Atlantic region yesterday. Now off the coast, basically clear skies, mostly sunny skies following in the Mid-Atlantic region for today. And out here over the middle part of the country, another band of clouds and some showers and thunderstorms associated with the next cool frontal system that moves to the east coast by late tomorrow. Just off of Florida, this is flaring up again. These, believe it or not, are the remains of what was Tropical Storm Dorian. Has just slowly gravitated to the west here. Still alive and kicking, still producing some decent rainfall just off the southeast coast of Florida. Some of the models have it turning just along the east coast, turning to the north, and then ultimately to the northeast. We'll continue to monitor that over the next couple of days. Well, here's a look at the nationwide radar. Here's some of that precipitation associated with the remains of what was Tropical Storm Dorian, just sitting just off the southeast coast of Florida. Some showers, thunderstorms off the east coast associated with that departing cool frontal system, and here's some more with the next cool frontal system that's now over the middle part of the country, headed to the east coast over the next 24 hours or so. Meanwhile, South Dakota getting some impressive showers and thunderstorms this morning. Well, let's take a look at some weekend forecast maps from last night's Zero Z GFS model run. This is the forecast map for tomorrow morning. Here's the precipitation depicted by the GFS model. That frontal system will be more or less aligned from the north to the south. Will be kind of dropping from the north to the south during the day. Again, some showers and thunderstorms associated with that next cool frontal system. Here, well behind it is that next high pressure system that will dominate our weather picture here in the East Coast early part of next week. Let's now jump ahead to tomorrow evening. Well, the next cool frontal system working its way through the Mid-Atlantic region by tomorrow night. Still some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's that high pressure area dominating the picture by tomorrow evening in the northern central part of the country, and headed to the east with another very comfortable air mass headed our way along the East Coast for the early part of next week. And finally, here's the forecast map for Sunday morning. That front now along the East Coast. High pressure starting to build into the region. A northwest flow of cooler, drier air moving in on Sunday. Again, there can be some residual early morning clouds, maybe even a lingering shower or two, especially on the south and eastern part of the Mid-Atlantic region. But by Sunday afternoon, we should be getting in the clear and very nice, comfortable sleeping weather Sunday night, and then very nice weather for Monday and Tuesday. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.